Alright, so this is pretty much what you're going to be needing. We're not going to be doing the clutch lines and the steel braided lines in this episode, or the brake bleeding. That's going to be a different episode. So don't worry too much about that stuff necessarily. But yeah, today's focus is going to be on the brake pads for the Brembos on the Civic Type R FK8. There are a few tools you're going to need for this job, and pretty much one of the main ones is probably like for the front brakes, you're going to need a punch tool to get the studs out, and for the rear you're going to need, I believe, a T40 or 45, T40 or 245 star Torx bit, socket bit. Also, you're gonna need, at least a 3/8 wrench, socket wrench to do all this work. So, and you're gonna need your 1.5 socket to take out the lugs. Don't forget your, your wheel lock if you have that. Be adding some of this on the studs on the front caliper. So yeah, you're gonna need this device if you want to access brake service mode. This is the Autel Maxi AP 200, and you're gonna want to get this all set up before you even start all the process of changing out the rear brake pads. So pretty much what this device does, it lets you plug into your ODB port and just start your own DIY diagnostic in a way, for the enthusiasts out there, the car enthusiasts. You could check up a lot of things just by running this little tool. It's it's connected by Bluetooth into your phone through an app. And so yeah, this is all of the things it does. Ichii. You're gonna need this for the rear brake pads, mainly. Key component right here. If you want to do this the right way, there is a manually, done way, but I feel like this is probably the more safer route without damaging anything. So for the front brake pads, you're gonna definitely want to invest into some brake shields. So these are made out of titanium. They're from Disc, and yeah, these are pretty sick. You're gonna want to invest in these only because you don't want to burn any, especially when you add aftermarket brake pads, different heat management, whatnot. Only because you want to protect the rubber sealants of the Brembo calipers and the Brembo caliper itself. You just want to not have so much heat attack that. You want to make these calipers last as long as possible. So this is a highly recommendation in just protecting your calipers. Not that much. 40-50 bucks, and yeah, these are made out of titanium, light. I've heard it actually might help even with brake feel, just with added little spacers, something like that, but we'll give that review later on. And so yeah, let's just get to it already. I got my helper here. What are you doing, Pooch? Ready? Ready to do some work? Well, you might notice, how'd you get back to OEM wheels? Just borrowing these for now. Getting my wheels, I'm getting them repainted to the color I wanted and asked for. It was fun rocking the candy apple green with the flake, but it was a little too loud, a little too bright, and it's not the look I was going for. So yeah, enough talk. Let's get to it. Start jacking this puppy up. Alright, so pretty much what you're gonna need is this majig. Whatchamacallit? Puncher. Yes, you're gonna need one of these. And either one of these. We're gonna first start with this one, see how this goes. And just like so, yeah. Oh, that was really quick. I didn't think it was gonna be that quick. Let's see, a smaller one. Didn't know I was gonna need the thinner one either. Let me see if we can get the flathead. Oh yeah. There's room. There is room. Okay. Ah, you saw that? Just snapped right real quick. Cool. So yeah, when you take these off, you definitely want to clean them off and just take out the crud and grease left over. Alright, looks way better. You know, you could get a brush and file it more, some of this other stuff, but no big deal. So that should make this bottom one a lot easier to take out since the top is loose. Oh yeah, that came out way easy. Side. Clean this one off now. Just let you guys see that. But yeah, it's nasty. So yeah, just want to get the brake caliper. The brake pad, and start pushing from one direction another. That already should loosen it up. Try to push the caliper pistons as much as possible. Yeah. There's the OEM Brembo brake pad for you. Still a lot of life left. Goes. Okay, so with the brake pads finally out, let's take out these shims. Man, these are heavy. Here we go. Club racers. Some thick boys, man. These are heavy. All right. There we go. Oh, put that on the outside. Here we go. This written on it. Interesting. But yeah, so it's I think it just goes like this, right? Got some material because it's kind of sharp on the edges, so. All right, let's see. Yeah, still compress the piston in a little bit more. There you go. All right. What's some of this brake dust? You know, try and make these last as long as possible, you know? A little maintenance like this goes a long way, you know? A lot of track people probably don't really care. I don't know how I got this chip here. Interesting. Wonder if that's from the wheel. I mean, it's the other thing. Interesting. Alright. So let's get some of this break. Alright, so there we go. We got the gyro disc brake shields and the Project Move Club Racer brake pad in the front passenger all installed. So pretty much what I did for the wheel set to get that final thread in all the way, pretty much just got, so yeah, pretty much just got the edge of the precision punch tool and I got the end of it just hammered from that end and got in. You might see some damage, some hammering, but honestly, to just get it in, I didn't give a crap. So I rather it work and then look pretty. So at the end of the day, you know, as much as I want to make this look pretty, you know, it's just gonna get abused anyway. So yeah, there that goes. Alright, so just like the last time on the other side, just gonna go around, just do a little detailing, you know, show these calipers some love. Hopefully I wasn't covering that, but yeah. Alright. Now we got this. Let's see. Boom. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if past owners that have the same exact brake shields can tell me what this grease-like material is. I just tried wiping it off and this came out. I don't know if it's needed, but yeah, it's just kind of weird that it's slimy already. I don't know. But I'll be putting that on the outside facing inward. Yeah. Oh, that was probably out of focus all this time. My bad, guys. Alright. Looks like we're done with the front brake pads. So pretty much what you just saw was me using the Alto AP200 to go into brake maintenance pad mode, brake pad maintenance mode. I wasn't able to record it, but there was a huge whining noise of the piston just retracting. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna get to taking out these nuts back here, and I believe it is a T40, it's a T45. Alright, so pretty much continuing from where we left off last, a lot has happened. I decided just to take off the entire motor assembly and just turn it manually and somehow smudge this tool right here. It is a lifesaver. Just barely fit it in between the piston and the caliper here and was able to just push it in. For some reason I've been having problems ever since this wire got disconnected right there, the harness. Just been having issues. It might be the piston itself. The motor seems like it works fine. I don't think that's the problem, but I think it's the piston itself. But yeah, I had to manually do it. Here, I'll show you. It's pretty much this socket right here, Torx E12. There you go. That's what that fit socket. That's what fit back here. Just retracted it manually and able to put the rear brakes in now. So yeah, maintenance mode does work. It's just I'm having issues over here from a past incident from the last track day. Alright, so with that piston fully disengaged, I'm just gonna go in and put these Project Moo. Gotta make sure this pin is hitting both sides. Lay it down. Okay, all set here. All right. Got these caps. You gotta take off these caps first. Alright, let's pray that this setup works. That's all I got. Alright, let's see. Where's that? Right here. Come on, baby. All I got. Come on. Just get in there. Yep. Oh my goodness. Whew, that was tough. That was tough, man. Anyways, okay, so I finally got it off. Some elbow grease. Oh, let's see here. Ooh, that's sticky, icky. Ooh, forgot about that. Okay, so there it is. There you go. It's all loose now. There it is. There it is. Real loose now. I can probably lift it off. See? Yeah. All right. That's what I was looking for. Alright, so welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's your boy, Only Official Damien, and right now I just woke up in my pajamas. Don't give a crap.
So continuation from where we left off from the whole electric brake in the Type R situation. Basically, I didn't film any of it. I just wanted to solve this issue and just get it over with. But I did install a brand new motor and caliper to the whole e-brake system. Now, let's check it out. Hold on. Some steps. You want to disconnect your battery and obviously jack your car and take off the rear tire. But today we are going to be, here's the number. We're going to be installing a brand new wire harness for the electric brake. I'm already at this point where I disconnected it. Boom, goes right there. Now, since I never been beyond that point before, we're gonna bust this out. And yeah, shout out to Jurassic Park shorts. But yeah, alright, let me just open this real quick. So this is what the wire harness looks like. Here's our connector right there. Now just to figure out where everything else goes. Yeah, so much fun. So take a look here. Where this wire harness goes. Right here. Sorry, like the best angles. It's really hard to film all this. And it goes over here. Attaches over there. Now this would be so much easier if it was up in the air, but we're gonna do what we can here. So no connection there, and it goes over here. So yeah, I'm gonna jump ahead and take all this off right now. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the OEM wire harness that came with this car is out. Man, so if you do try to tackle this yourself, clip over here is really hard to get, as well as the one right here. I am leaving this loose because I cannot get this one out, and it is secured. I'm just don't care. That's gonna be the only loose one, but I just want to test this out and make sure it works all properly. So that's the next step. Say Hondas are reliable, huh? What's up with all these lights? Man.